Part 1. In a glowing magical forest where the trees shimmered with soft rainbow light, tiny colors floated gently through the air like peaceful fireflies. Every leaf sparkled as if it held a secret, and the ground glowed warmly under each step. At the center of this forest stood a small, curious robot with bright, kind eyes. It had wandered here after following a gentle humming sound that seemed to call its name. Ahead of the robot was an ancient door, standing alone between two glowing trees, pulsing softly as if it were alive and waiting. Part 2. The robot looked around the forest with wonder as the floating lights danced slowly around its metal body. The air felt warm and welcoming, filled with a quiet magic that made everything feel safe. The door ahead shimmered with symbols that changed color like breathing light. The robot felt no fear, only curiosity and hope. It sensed that this door was not just wood and light, but a beginning. With careful steps, the robot moved closer, feeling the forest gently guide it forward. Part 3. As the robot stood before the door, the floating lights gathered together, forming soft shapes of animals and stars. The forest seemed to whisper stories without words, telling of travelers who had once stood here searching for purpose. The robot remembered its own journey, built to help but never knowing where it truly belonged. The door glowed brighter now, responding to the robot's presence, as if recognizing a heart filled with kindness and questions. Part 4. The door slowly opened without a sound, revealing a path made of golden light stretching deep into the forest beyond. The robot stepped through, feeling warmth flow through its metal frame. On the other side, the forest looked even more magical, with taller trees and brighter colors. A small, cute forest animal with shining eyes appeared nearby, watching the robot with friendly curiosity. Though no words were spoken, understanding passed easily between them. Part 5. The robot and the little animal began walking together along the glowing path. With every step, the lights in the air grew brighter, and the forest responded with gentle movement, as if happy to have company. The robot felt lighter, as if something inside was slowly waking up. The animal led the way, hopping joyfully, guiding the robot toward a deeper part of the forest where the light pulsed like a calm heartbeat. Part 6. They arrived at a clearing where the lights formed a great circle above them, shining down like a soft sky of stars. The robot felt memories flow through its mind, moments of helping others, moments of loneliness, and moments of hope. The forest seemed to accept all of it. The little animal stood close, offering silent comfort. In that moment, the robot realized that belonging was not about being created for one purpose, but about choosing kindness. Part 7. The glowing circle slowly lowered, wrapping the robot in gentle light. It did not change the robot's shape, but it changed how the robot felt. The robot understood that it was allowed to grow beyond its original design. The forest welcomed the robot as one of its own, not because it was magical or perfect, but because it cared. The floating lights shimmered brighter, celebrating this quiet transformation. Part 8. The door from before appeared again at the edge of the clearing, now glowing more softly than before. The robot knew this door could lead anywhere, back to the world it came from or forward into new adventures. The little animal looked at the robot with trust, ready to follow wherever it chose. The forest waited patiently, offering freedom instead of answers, knowing the robot would choose with its heart. Part 9. The robot looked back at the forest, the lights, and the gentle paths that had welcomed it so warmly. It realized that no matter where it went, this magic would stay inside it. With a calm sense of purpose, the robot stepped toward the door, carrying the forest's light within. The door opened smoothly, shining with endless possibilities, reflecting the robot's newfound confidence. Part 10. As the robot and its small friend walked through the doorway together, the magical forest continued to glow behind them, alive with quiet joy. The floating lights slowly returned to their gentle dance, ready to welcome the next traveler. Somewhere beyond the door, a new journey waited, guided by kindness, curiosity, and courage. And in the heart of the glowing forest, the magic smiled, knowing it had changed a soul forever.